Market perfumes, Chinese industry perfumes in China, industry perfumes in China, she profession ancient scene in which Chinese since the foot. And that from during herbs and flowers available in nature. Then evolved after availability technologies and machines that allow with innovation more from species luxury. I showed reports the growth accelerated that he achieves its size consumption perfumes in Republic Chinese. Where to attest market Great China perfume rise from 6.16 billion yuan chest on what approximately $867 million in year 2017 to what approximately 12.53 billion yuan in year 2020. Although from that still market perfumes in China, less widespread for markets the other in the world. To remember reports that there is a lot from possibilities that did not complete exploited in market perfumes Chinese. Where contains China on a lot from materials primary required in different around the world, which mostly what make from difficult on competitors in markets local exit and access to the fame outside China. Months perfumes available in market perfumes Chinese famous China, with a group from species considered as she most fame in the global market for goods Chinese. Scent library, I appreciated value this type from perfumes what nearly 300 million yuan Chinese. And it was completed adopted as one better tags commercial leading in New York. From highlight advantages that unique with it this is amazing brand, their price is moderate. Addition to its ability the big one on attract customers due for those perfumes that I worked on its production and develop it which she has uses different as a spray the room and water toilet where it was completed provided from before company at prices less and smell lighter. Scent Rue de Villiers, he knew this type from perfumes by being Sunday months species perfumes prevailing in market Chinese local. Where includes this type from perfumes group big from memories the people Chinese whether from that formulas old that it was completed manufacturing smells of which, or that versions modern from that smells. Enjoy market Chinese for perfumes quickly slow on although from the speed the big one that complete with it issuance tags commercial local, due to exist many from brands globalism the competition that invade markets Chinese.